Hey guys, it's your Aussie Mum Anna, and happy December. As those of you that live in Australia and other Southern Hemisphere places, we're going into summer, so very different. Christmas looks very different for us, that sort of thing. But I just want to show you, like, my channel does a lot of the makeup or skincare content it does is all drugstore and as often as it can be, it's Australian brands and stuff. I found a couple of new cool things, and beyond drugstore, this is actually from our largest supermarket chain. Apparently, some of them have been available in the supermarket chain on the mainland. I'm in Tasmania, which is the island state of Australia, making things even more expensive. Like, I like to use, for example, bronzing drops. Drunk Elephant bronzing drops, for example, are $62 in Australia. Or the other thing I like to demonstrate is when I compare a couple of these dupe products, I actually have tried the real thing. So, like, I'm currently just finishing up this watermelon juice moisturizer, which I got for my birthday from the 3rd of October. I've had the genuine sleeping mask, the teardrop serum, and I haven't had the toning mist, but I've also had the papaya under eye cream, and am getting the Pom Pump hyaluronic serum. I had a test. I love that. But yeah, I just wanted to. So when I talk about dupes and stuff, I have compared them to the real thing. I haven't with Drunk Elephant, however, it is just insanely expensive. Basically, double the item. Like Maybelline foundation or L'Oreal foundation is easily $35 in Australia. No worries. So anyway, the first thing I wanted to show you is um, this brand. So Asano is the brand. I have previously used their rosehip oil, like, skin stuff. They do like a beginner pack that's like a cleansing wash, pure rosehip oil, and a rosehip oil moisturizer. I have some full thickness burns, so it goes first degree, second degree, third degree, full thickness burns over a large portion of my legs and arms, hands, and stuff. And the rosehip oil has been one of the best scar treatments I've used. It's been nice for my face, but I don't like the oily feeling it leaves. But anyway, they've come up with this sort of sub brand, and I assume it's to kind of appeal to a younger, kind of preppy TikTok aesthetic. It reminds me of you cannot in Tasmania, you cannot get Tower 28 anywhere. We don't have Sephora. We do have Sephora online, like a Sephora Australia online, but the shipping and stuff, because I'm the island state, is incredible. We have Mecca, which is our major version, but yeah, like chemist, large chemist things, and online is genuinely how I get skincare and beauty products. So I'm so stoked for the supermarket to be having these ones. So yeah, this is Happy Skin, which is one of their sub brands, and this is their Prep and Balance Nutrient Toner Mist with skin-loving superstars, fermented postbiotics, multi-amino acid complex, niacinamide, hyaluronic acid, and tropical fruit enzymes. I have just been loving this. Like, I feel like I could use my, cleanse my face with, I've got CeraVe foaming facial cleanser. I've got the Sembury Emco Beauty oil cleanser, which I use like as my first cleanse to get makeup off. I've got Garnier cleanser, that sort of thing. I feel like I could use those. My flawless choice. This can almost be done at this point. It's great. The other ones I've been loving, these are, funnily enough, I shouldn't admit this online, but from Temu. This was like $4. This is the Daily Skincare Vitamin C Glowing Serum Face Moisturizer with hyaluronic acid, green tea, aloe vera leaf juice, butane glycol. Anyway, but yeah, I patch tested it. Obviously, I love it. The container it's in is really, really thick, and like, this is in layers, comes out as like a clear gel through the pump. The pump is a little bit erratic. It's like, but yeah, has been fantastic. It's like actually one of the best ones I've used. I believe it was $3.30 and no shipping. Obviously, if you spend $20, this is not sponsored by Team. I'm actually in an argument with them at the moment because I ordered stuff to put in my daughter's Christmas stocking, and the package has apparently been delivered, but I was told when I first contacted them on the day to wait up to 3 business days, because sometimes couriers just say they're being delivered. Though then when I waited 3 days, they're like, "Yeah, sorry, you didn't contact us straight away." Anyway, big thing, but yeah, they definitely know it's to me. But yeah, I love this. I like this brand, Eelho. It seems to be like you can look it up independently, and it's a genuine brand. They're selling there. This is called facial skin tanning drops. I don't know why. I think it was just called that to capitalize on the drunk elephant bronzing drops thing, because the reviews are full of like younger people saying like this doesn't have any color to it or anything. But I mix cover drops with this. It's in a nice heavy brown, so sunlight can't get to it and stuff. This is it says for face and other parts. 3 to 5 drops sun drop kissed, 69 drops golden, 10 to 12 drops chocolate. Don't know if you can see, but I've used about maybe 4/5 of the S, and it has not changed in my face color at all. But it's fantastic as like a serum. So add a drop of this product to any oil or moisturizer and evenly apply to the area. You want to create a beautiful blonde glow. See, I mean, yeah, I don't know why it says that. It doesn't do anything like that. But the ingredients are aloe vera extract, jojoba seed oil, squalene, glycerine, and carrot oil. So yeah, that one I love too. And these are my last two before I get into the Australian skincare stuff. This, which I know is a shameless dupe of the Glow Recipe strawberry one. It is called Strawberry Base Pore Smooth Hydrating Face Serum. It has that slight real strawberry smell, and it is really good. Well, I'm trying to open it here with my mouth behind the scenes because I can't pause it on this one. But anyway, if I was able to open it, I could show you that the way it comes out, it's like the original one. Unfortunately, this is like, yeah, just one of those options where they've straight ripped it off instead of doing, like, they can make a strawberry VHA serum or whatever, so, and they don't have to rip off the packaging and that sort of thing. But I understand why they're doing it, because like, my 13-year-old daughter handed me a Christmas wish list, and the skincare alone, like, she doesn't realize how much it is, but it was like $400 worth of Drunk Elephant and Glow Recipe products that she thinks she wants. She's not getting them. I'll show you or tell you about some of the products she's getting that are going to do the same job for her skin. I don't want her using, certainly wouldn't let her test a Temu product. I can make that decision, she can't. But yeah, I can't afford for her to be using Drunk Elephant and Glow Recipe products. $400 worth of skincare is not going to happen. But yeah, but yeah, that is phenomenal. It works really well as a primer. It does reduce your pores or blur them or whatever it says. I've had no problems. And this is my new favorite eye cream. This is Hanboli Polypeptide Essence Eye Cream. It's a nice big thick boy. This is $3.39. I've got about that much to go, and it's another one from Temu. Obviously patch tested it, checked the ingredients. I like this one and like the Eelho products because they're not claiming, like, ripping off someone else's packaging. They're their own thing. But anyway, love them. So now we'll move on to one of the more fun ones. Now, this brand is called Nobody's Nobody, and apparently it has been in Woolworths supermarkets in the rest of Australia for a while, because I can find reviews and that sort of thing. It appeared in Tasmania, or my Tasmanian one, literally like maybe a week and a half ago. They have other things. So I got my daughter, these are not my daughter's ones, these are mine. I got my daughter a skincare routine from these guys. So I got her the Gold Illuminizing Moisturizer, the Blushing Drops, and Bronzing Drops. She's like blonde, blue-eyed with tan beach skin, whereas I'm very dark-haired, green-eyed, freckledy, like not needing that sort of tan. But I have been loving this that they do as well. Bronzing firming body oil. I just like the way of body oil. I actually use like some moisturizer first and then sort of seal it in with the bronzing body oil. It's really nice. Like, unless you make an effort, you're not going to see anything more than sort of a hint of colour, but it just gives you that nice sort of extra shiny skin. It looks nice in summer. This is hyaluronic acid, vitamin B5, Like, it's a cream blush. It is so pigmented. I cannot speak. It's a beautiful colour, but yeah, it is so pigmented. That's, I would say, the only problem is it can always be a little bit hard to use just because of the amount of pigment. I'm just putting a little bit on my hand. So, that is the colour. That is from me, like, just wiping my finger across the top of the dispenser. It blends beautifully and then it stays on all day. It feels lovely. But yeah, be aware, it's very so, and when I got this, because it was an introduction, it was all half price, so those were like $12.60. The gold illuminating moisturizer, I imagine, is like the big Goldie drops, because they have bronzing drops as well. This is just like a hyaluronic acid and peptides gold shimmer formulation, leaves skin illuminated, assists in combating fine lines, is deeply hydrating. And then they also do like a 5-in-1 face serum and a face glow moisturizer, that sort of thing. With the brand I showed before, the Asana Happy Skin, they do like sort of some stuff designed for teens and stuff. It's reminiscent of Bioma, which we don't get in Australia. Like, we don't get bubble skincare and stuff even in our Targets and stuff. It's a bit odd, but yeah, this is also put together because she's very into skincare at the moment. A little package from these guys, and I found it once again because it's new. It was half price, and I got her this spray because I can't speak highly enough of it, and I got their tinted sunscreen, glowy sunscreen, and something else. The other couple of things I wanted to recommend. So I got Cosmetic Capital. If you live in Australia, you should use them. Garnier, you always use their hair oil, or not always, but like I used to use a lot of their products when they're younger, and then for some, I don't know, I didn't know they really did skincare, but Cosmetic Capital had a bundle, and I've been using their hydrating mist for ages just because I like it, their Moroccan oil hydrating mist, and this toner. But yeah, it's such a good deal. Oh, and my daughter uses their hair food, like she loves them. What do we have? I use the watermelon shampoo, conditioner, and treatment mask thing, and she uses the pineapple one. Watermelon's for volume. She has really curly hair. Pineapple is for long damaged hair, I think. We were using Maui, but yeah, we switched to Garnier hair food. It's usually around $23. See, that's what I mean. This is like supermarket shampoo, but it's like when it's half price, which is sort of once a month, I just get a couple, and it works really well. But anyway, so I got there. I love this toner. This is a purifying toner, and then for younger skin, I think this sort of thing is great. This is the Garnier Plumping Day Cream, Lavender Youth, Organic Lavender Oil, Hyaluronic Acid, treats like a firmness. Then this is sort of thing like I prefer, instead of a straight dupe of a glow recipe, is like, so their Green Labs Replumping Serum Cream, Hyalur Melon with hyaluronic acid and watermelon. It doesn't have any scent at all. The bottle is not trying to look exactly the same, but it's really cute. I think it looks aesthetic. You have to do your research on the ingredients. I really like it. I've been trying this out, and the other brands I've been using is, as you know, also from Cosmetic Capital, but I've been getting this for years, and at the moment you can get it at the Reject Shop and stuff. Sukin, my daughter, this was the first skincare she ever started using, was like she would use their oil-based cleanser and then a pump of this facial moisturizer, and she would start to put like a little bit of bronzing drops in the moisturizer as she got closer to 13, and then like a little bit of illuminator type thing. So yeah, that's why I'm getting her the gold illuminating moisturizer. She's about to be in grade 8, so that's sort of reasonable. That mascara, lip gloss, and at night I've been using the High Diffusion Night Cream. And I was going to show a couple of things I ran out of this month. I finished up completely. So I also was using this as my evening serum, the Biomarine facial serum for hydration. I loved it. I finished it up, and I have other ones I need to finish up before I just open random ones. And I also finished the Emco Beauty Hydrating Hyaluronic Acid Vitamin C Face Serum. So hence using these ones. I finished my one. That's how I do it. I also finished up my dupe Boom Boom cream. It didn't look like it was going to be a straight fraudulent dupe when I ordered it. It just said it smelt the same. So it came in a nice round container, totally different, nice pastel. What I have actually been doing at the moment with this is using it to mix my I Am So Pale, that I use like a Dove gradual tan moisturizer, and I have to mix it in with just plain moisturizer, otherwise it looks too much even after one application. So I've been using that to mix it in. And I finished my Sports Girl Beauty grape eye patches. I got those in the kit with the grape overnight lip mask, and I will be getting this again. You can get in watermelon, grape, that sort of thing. Sports Girl Beauty does some great sort of teen preppy stuff too. The next video I'll be doing is what I'm getting my 13-year-old daughter for Christmas, and then I'll do what I'm getting my 19-year-old son for Christmas. Santa is making his last appearance this year. So it's been, if you don't believe, you don't receive. And then, with the big age gap, the older kids got it for a bit longer for continuity's sake for the youngest. The youngest is now 13. She stated to me she no longer believes in Santa, so he's not coming after this year. So, yeah, I'll just make it one big video. She's not getting that many presents because, as they're teenagers, they ask for, $400 skincare items and Apple technical things, phones, iPads, blah, blah, blah. So it's like, yeah, okay, we'll talk about a couple of these items, not the list. But that'll be the next video. Please like, comment, subscribe. Let me know if you think I'd like your channel, and I'll see you next time. Bye.